Hello guys, my sister and me playing Slap Tower 11. I'm gonna be joining my sister.
Hi guys!
And my sister talking too. And we gonna be go in Tower 11.
Oh, that's
Oh, what's that? Oh,
this is secret doors.
that's a secret door.
Yeah, secret door.
Okay, let's go.
The secret door.
I'm
is
gonna
super-
let's go parkour.
Oh, I don't want
Okay, bye guys.
parkour, guys. I want to get slapped.
And I'm climbing to the top and I'm so nervous or I'm gonna be dead. Don't troll me. Hey you, don't troll me.
Bro, I don't want to get slapped.
Oh, I'm just get slapped guys. Let's go in the top with like this. We're gonna be going speed run.
Thus,
Mm.
there is a secret door, right?
Yeah, right. We not played this before guys.
Yeah.
I was just for no. Oops. Oh no. We only use this.
Oh,
This up.
I don't want this game. Yo. I'm crying because I want to get slapped.
Haha, bye. I'm just okay. I never troll anyone now. Let's go in the top because I need to go fast.
I don't nothing it matter. What I will
Attention.
for you.
Let's go.
My friend. Baby, we're going to-
Oh, this is slimy.
I want to get.
Let's go. Oops.
Oh,
Let's go.
I don't want to. I'm crying.
No, don't cry. I know why. Because you are ugly. Just don't cry. Guys, just like and subscribe. If I'm get in the top. If I'm not get in the top, don't like and subscribe.
Okay, let's go.
If I'm not get in the top, go like and subscribe too. If I'm get in the top, like and subscribe too. Oh. Go fast, go fast. So yeah,
What happened, Lobos?
I'm just fall.
I don't.
Go parkour too. Oh, you get your parkour? Where are you? With me. Sably too, boy. Bye bye. Oh, you say thank you to me.
Aww. I don't want this.
Just up, double up.
Guys, let's play Yuki.
Well,
Guys, I want this game. Keyboard Grand Tower.
Come. We're gonna be shout out to my dad because she's helped me to vlog this game. Just help me to get a follow to get you guys. Just watch my video and like and subscribe. I like you, your vlog keyless and faulted. I'm every day watching your vlog faulted and keyless. What a darn. Turn. What a turn. To my hands, yours. I'm not seeing the boots. Oh, it's falling, guys. What are you? I'm not even close in the top. Oops. Oh. Let's go here and some tall here. Oops. Oops, yeah. Oops. 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 Later, after this, my sister and me playing 99 Nights, right? But I think we're gonna be joining to my sister. Huh? Oops. That's working. Guys. Let's go in the top. There you go. My mom says that's okay with you blogger because don't say a bad word because bad word is so bad. She's like bad word gonna be go in the hell. Oops. Yeah. Oops. Oh, this is slimy, guys. Oh. Oops. Ano ko? Oops. I'm able to get in the top. Oh, I'm just close in the top, guys. We go in the pink. Oh, this is a red lister, guys. Oh. Oops. 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 Yes. Oh, you get in the pink, guys. Oops. Oops. Yeah. Yeah. Oops. Bro, what is this? Oops. Oops. Oops.
Ito mahirap eh. Mahirap ako dito.
Wala pa ako dyan. Oops. What is oh, but so this nandito na si ate, nandito na si kuya, nandito na si oops, kapya. Ano to? Ayun. Oops, dito na. Tay. Guys, you watch this, and I'll go in the top, and that's all the top, and let's bye bye guys.